Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. If you're thinking about getting dental implants or you've had yours just placed, you might be wondering, what is this gonna feel like? Not just during surgery or the first couple days, but weeks, months, even years later. And that's a great question. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what most patients experience at 1 week, at 1 month, and at 1 year after getting dental implants. Let's break it down so you know what to expect at every stage of healing. Right after surgery. In the first week, here's what most patients experience. They'll experience some swelling, especially in the cheek or the gum area. They're gonna experience some mild to moderate soreness, usually well controlled using ibuprofen or Tylenol, and we also will give some other medications to help with any breakthrough pain. They're gonna feel a tightness or fullness around the implant site, and some patients report minor bruising or tenderness while chewing. But here's the good news. Most of our patients say the pain was much less than they expected. By day 3 or 4, swelling starts to go down, and by the end of the week, most people are back to normal activity with very little discomfort. However, this is definitely patient dependent. I have patients who the next day, they don't take any pain meds and they're totally comfortable. And then I also have patients where at 1 week, they are still in pain and we manage that appropriately. If you've received a temporary prosthetic, like with an all-on-4, all-on-X, or any kind of full arch treatment, you'll be able to eat soft foods and speak comfortably even during the healing process. Now let's fast forward to the 4-week or 1 month post-op. By this time, the swelling should completely be gone. Your gums are healing around the implant site. You'll feel a little to no pain even when eating soft or moderate density foods. What many patients say at this stage is, it feels like it's part of me now, but I'm still aware of it. You may still notice subtle sensations around the implant, especially if you've got a temporary crown or prosthetic, but it should never be painful or uncomfortable. This is also when we start to see how your bite and speech are adjusting, and we may make small modifications to the prosthetic if you're having issues with your chewing or your speech. Now, here's the long-term view, what it feels like after 12 months or 1 year. At this point, your implants are fully integrated with your jawbone. Your final prosthetic or crown has been placed and fine-tuned. Most patients say they don't even think about their implants anymore. The feedback that we hear most often is, it feels just like a natural tooth. I forget it's even there. I eat everything I used to. Steak, apples, popcorn, you name it. There's no sensitivity, no shifting, and no restrictions. You clean it like normal, maintain it with regular scheduled checkups, and enjoy life without worrying about your smile. If it's a full arch implant restoration, patients often tell us it gave them their life back, being able to laugh, eat, and speak without discomfort or embarrassment. Let's quickly talk about what's not normal at any stage. Persistent pain and swelling after that 1 month mark, usually even 2 weeks. A loose implant or shifting tooth. If this is happening, make sure you come back and see us immediately. Clicking, cracking, or unusual pressure. Again, especially after that initial month, these things should be addressed. Pus, bleeding, or bad taste near the implant site. If you experience any of these, make sure to give us a call right away. These are rare, but they could indicate an issue like inflammation, poor healing, or bite misalignment. It also could just be a prosthetic that needs to be tightened, so it's best to give us a call and make sure that we address this before something worse happens. At Smile Now, we closely monitor your healing to make sure these issues never develop or they are addressed quickly. We know getting dental implants is a big decision, and it's not just about the procedure. It's about what it feels like to heal, how confident you are in the long term, and knowing that you're supported every step of the way. At Smile Now Dental Group, we take detailed digital records before, during, and after surgery. We will give you clear post-op instructions and real-time support. We schedule strategic follow-ups to check the fit, the bite, the healing, and the comfort. We're always here if something feels off, even months or years later. So if you're wondering what dental implants feel like after a week, a month, or even a year, the answer is they feel natural, stable, and worth it. Make sure to click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll review your case, walk you through the different options, and help you feel confident about it every single step of the way. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to comment below. If you have any positive feedback, please comment below as well, and give any of our offices a call, and we'll be there to support you. Thanks so much.